See, I don't know why people they talk say Nigeria boys for Europe say they not they like to the work. Who tell you say they not they like to the work? You know how they prepare for the job when they do? You know how much they think they buy caro white when they think they bleach their skin?
What?
Nigeria boys and they work for Europe, not be small thing. They even get association. Their headquarters dey for France, Paris.
Will you keep quiet?
If you want to join the association, say you want to get that type of job, wetin you don't need na to dey buy caro white, bleach your skin, okay? Know how to dey gas with Sinese markers, okay? You go see say guys na dem go dey call you for the job. The job na to dey lick pekus, okay?
What?
If you come to places like Italy now, girls dey when they look for boys when they want to employ for that type of work. You go places like Torino, Napoli, Novara, Milano, even Roma. Some girls and ladies that they look for boys when they want to employ. If you go France now, then places like Paris, Lyon, Marseille, girls they look for girls and ladies that they look for boys when they want to employ. After they don't go also finish, then they look for boys who want to wash out for them. Then if you go for Germany, places like Berlin, places like Munich and other places there for Germany, ladies and girls they with the especially single mothers there, we don't born for like 3 or 4 different man. Then they look for boys now we want to wash out for them. They go they pay you. They stay for house. They people rent house give you. Go to Norway, go to Denmark, go to Spain, even Russia or Greece. Girls and ladies that they look for boys where they want to employ.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
Nigeria boys they hustle hard. Some of them for France. Now to the leak pekus then they think they pay their house rent, okay? So no maybe now they spoil their name say Nigeria boys say they don't they like to the work. They work. It's just that they don't like this type of work. The job when they like now to the leak pekus then be the work when most Nigeria boys like to they do for abroad. And they know how to they catch well with Sinese markers. Now make you see our guests they like them. Our guests when they put them for house, or our guests when they rent house they give them, or our guests when they spend money for them. They know what thing they do. Once they see say they gas with Sinese markers, and they go like them and then bleach with caro white. Then they like them well. Even if say their mothers they hungry for house, our Nigeria guests they not care. But once they also say they gash, you bleach, they're ready to spend all their money where they use their pekus they work. So far if they come back from the road work where they do, then you go ready to they leak their pekus for them 247. You go get the job. That be the work when most Nigerian boys they do for abroad. So make people know they talk say Nigerian boys know they work. They know they do all this type of job. Not me say they know they work. They not like to they do this type of job or this type or this type. They know they do it. The only one when most of them want make that they do na to the leak pekus, okay? So now be the work when most of Nigerian boys they do. Everywhere for Europe, they did there. They also for the job self. I don't know why some guys will say Nigerian boys they lazy, say they don't want work. For some of them to come agree, because when you put them for house, you go agree to come they leak your pekus when you take the hustle. Sometimes pekus when they smell, you just say they easy. That one an easy job. Make you not talk against say Nigeria boys they lazy for Europe. Okay? Now when they talk on they very ungrateful. Forget soon put some of them for house. Forget soon they feed them. Because that work to me, you know they easy.
Oh, Mumu not too much.
In fact, kudos to those guys when they do not too much. Because that type of job no work hard person. Guy will go ready say you want carry that job, say you want for the do am. People when woman take the hustle, we get it the hustle. Because say she put you for house, then now you call the cleaner and the washer for her. Una too much. Ah!
Oh, Mumu not too much.
And Mr. Z, I will be back.